From our humble beginnings as a two-man operation, building storage bins for the emerging automatic ice machine industry, to becoming a major manufacturing company in Pennsylvania's Lehigh Valley, serving the worldwide food service, workplace, and healthcare markets, innovation has been at the heart of Follett. Established by Roy Follett almost 75 years ago, 3 generations of the Follett family invested in people and technology to develop products that promote health, safety, and well-being. In 2016, Follett became a proud member of the Middleby Corporation family, a $3 billion corporation with over 100 brands, providing even greater access to global opportunities that will sustain future growth. Located in Easton, Pennsylvania since 1967, today we occupy over 225,000 square feet of manufacturing, logistics, and office space, where we design, manufacture, test, deliver, and service innovative products that provide design excellence and exceptional quality to meet the specific needs of each customer. Since our founding, we've developed products to advance the safety, sanitation, and productivity of storing and transporting ice. But just storing and transporting ice made by others wasn't enough. In 1977, Follett purchased the technology for making nugget ice from York International. And we've spent the last 45 years developing what is recognized as the world's best nugget ice machine. All of our ice machines feature our chewable Chewblet ice, a crunchy ice that people love to chew. Another innovation is our remote ice delivery capability called Ride. Follett makes the only ice machine in the world where the ice machine can send ice to a soda dispenser or ice storage bin up to 75 feet away. More recently, we've brought Chewblet Ice to the office by developing smaller, more compact ice machines and dispensers for corporate break rooms and pantries. You'll find Follett ice machines in many of the country's largest convenience stores and quick-serve restaurants, as well as in many theme parks, on cruise ships, and in corporate offices all over the world. Follett ice machines are the sustainable choice, using less than half the water required by similar-sized cube-type ice machines. In healthcare, we apply our creativity and patented designs to develop products that focus on sanitation and patient safety, providing clean, fresh ice for patient hydration. That, combined with Follett's reputation for reliability and service, has made our Symphony Plus ice and water dispensers the equipment of choice for hospital engineers. The result? You can find our Symphony Plus dispensers in almost every major hospital across the country. And our soft, chewable Chewblet ice is overwhelmingly preferred by patients. Since 2003, we've built on our reputation for quality and performance to design and manufacture medical-grade refrigerators and freezers for the demanding healthcare market. Our family of high-performance refrigerators and freezers range from very small 1 cubic foot countertop units to very large 45 cubic foot units used in nursing stations, laboratories, pharmacies, and blood banks to store medications, vaccines, blood, samples, and other biological products. We are proud to have played an instrumental role in supplying refrigerators and freezers to support the vaccination efforts in combating COVID-19. At Follett, we don't just develop products. We develop the complete product experience. Our entire company is dedicated to providing the most customer-oriented service in the industry, and it's our continuing goal to reach 100% customer satisfaction through service, innovation, and design excellence. We are Follett.